Hey everyone, friends, this is Velar's channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Roblox won't install on your PC. First, if you had it before, go to Windows. Go to Settings, then Apps, Installed Apps, and search for Roblox. Once it loads, click the three dots, delete the game, then try reinstalling. If that doesn't work, go to My Computer. Or just open Run, type %app database. Click OK, go to App Data, then Local. Find Roblox here. You can simply delete this folder. Then go to the Roblox website, pick any game, launch it. You might see click download Roblox and reinstall it. This should fix it. This was Velar. Bye everyone.